Hey there, my name is Om Singh and welcome to this shell scripting course where I'm going to teach you all about the fundamentals of shell scripting and how to use it to automate and streamline various tasks on your computer, making your work efficient and productive. So let's see a detailed overview of what you will learn in this course. Now in the beginning of this course, we will learn a little bit about the history of shell scripting, why the shell scripting was even developed. Then we will move on to setting up our local development environment. This will include installing and configuring necessary tools and software needed to write and execute a shell script. Next, we will dive into the Linux shell and explore its many features and capabilities. We will cover basics bash shell commands and show you how to use them to navigate and interact with your system. Once you are familiar with the basics, we will move on to creating our first script file. Here we will learn how to create a simple script and run it from the command line. We will also cover variables in depth and learn how to use them to store and manipulate data. We will learn about redacting inputs and outputs using pipe and working with arrays. Then we will cover conditional statements and Boolean logic. It will include how to use if, else and elif statements to make decisions in your script and how to use Boolean operator like and or to combine conditional statements. We will also cover loops and functions, two very important key concepts in shell scripting. Here we will learn how to use for loops and while loops to iterate over data and how to create your own custom functions. Finally, we will introduce ourselves to some more advanced concepts like seed, quark and show how to use them to create practical scripts for everyday use. So by the end of this course, you will have a solid understanding of shell scripting and you will be able to create your own script to automate tasks on your computer. So we are going to learn a lot of things in this course and I hope you are excited to get started. Also, I want to mention that all the demo codes from this course are available in the Git repository, which I will link in the video description, so you can follow along easily. We have put a lot of effort in creating this course, so if by the end of this course you think it was valuable to you, let me know by leaving a like and subscribe for more content like this. And your valuable feedbacks and comments are always welcome. So with this, let's get started.